Hello internet, my name is Lauren King. Welcome back to my channel. Right now it's about midnight and I'm so tired, but I couldn't help but film this right now because I have been holding on to this purchase for almost a week now, waiting to film this so I can use it, and I just can't wait any longer, so let's jump into it. It has been a really long time since my last luxury unboxing. I think actually exactly 1 year ago, and it was with, where was it? Hold on. Last year was, funny enough, my first ever Prada purchase. It was this little leather bucket bag right here, and a lot of you guys have been asking for an update on this. How did it hold up? Do I still use it? How much it can fit? And I promise I'll do another video on that. But today we have a separate bag to dive into. So without further ado, ta-da! So I did actually open this just one time. I took a peek and I filmed a quick little just sneak unboxing for Instagram, and so I'll put that right here while I open this one. It was kind of funny because I was expecting it to be this grand reveal and I didn't realize that all of the individual pieces would be completely separate. The first thing that came in the bag is my receipt, and so the official name of this bag is the, and I'm so sorry, I know I'm gonna butcher this, the Bandoliera Tessuto and Saffiano Nero. It's basically the 2005 reedition crossbody. I feel like it was so trendy recently for everyone to be rocking these super cute nylon vintage Prada bags, and I feel like Prada just finally was like, no, we're just gonna re-release our own so you buy them up from us again instead of buying vintage, and it worked because clearly by this video. They released a lot of 2000 reeditions and 2005 reeditions. Most of them are just hobo, but some super cute colors like baby blue and candy pink and lemon yellow, so cute. But this is the only one that is crossbody, and this comes in a few different colors too, but I'll get to that next. So the total price for this was, well, the unit price is $1,150, and then plus tax, which in California was $109. The total amount was $1,259.25. I did get a box this time, which I'm so happy about. So it comes in this box right here, and it has this really pretty tissue paper, and this is the bag. And this does come in a few different colors, although personally I've only seen it in black and tan. I think I saw somewhere that they also had it in red. So this bag does come in pieces, so you get two dust bags, one that's more of a bag dust bag, and then one that's a little accessory dust bag that like the strap and the little coin purse came in, and then this is what the normal bag came in. And then in here you also have the authenticity card, and it's the little credit card shape. So always hold on to these when you buy a bag. My favorite part about this bag is how convertible it is. You can really wear this so many different ways, and that makes it a great value. The other bags that were just the hobo without all the crossbody and without the chain, they were a little bit cheaper. There were some at $700 and then, or $725, and then some at $770, but they just had a regular nylon strap and some a leather strap. And for me, the chain is sort of what made it. And if they sold this bag with just the chain and without the crossbody, I probably would have purchased that. But I'm so happy with the overall package. I think it is so cute. Before I dive into inspecting all of the features and going inside the pockets and things like that, I just want to tell you how I came to get this bag. So I was dying over the Louis Vuitton bag, the one where it's double. It was one, more expensive, and two, just there's a wait list forever. It's impossible to get. And so I saw this on Instagram, only one person had it, and I was in Korea at the time. It must have been the first week of November. So I go, and I was so excited because if you buy things internationally, you get it tax-free. And so I was like, brilliant, this is the perfect time to buy a luxury item. So I went to the store in Seoul, and I didn't even know what it was called yet. So I was calling it the reissue. So I went in and I asked for the reissue, and she said, no, we don't have it. And that's all she said. She didn't say when they were gonna get it or if it was even out yet, which at the time I guess it was not out yet, but I didn't know that. So then I went to the airport Prada because I was determined to get duty free. And again, they didn't have it. but apparently people had been asking about it a lot because right when I walked in, I said, do you have the, and then she cut me off. She said, the reedition, no, we do not. So 2 Pradas I went to, 2 Pradas I was turned down, and then cut to, I think it was Christmas Eve or the week before Christmas, and I go to the Prada on Rodeo, and I had this exact bag in mind, and right when I walked in, I saw it, the colorful display with all of the other reeditions, and then this and the nude hanging up on the mannequin, and I was just like, exactly, this is exactly what I wanted. So I tried it on, and I called my boyfriend, and I called my friends, and I was trying to get everyone's opinion because even though it's not outrageously priced for a luxury item, it's still, you know, you're spending over $1,000. You want to be confident in your purchase. So my boyfriend didn't love it because I already had a bag similar. I had been using this bag for ages. I think Princess Polly sent it to me and I would just throw it on all the time, and I do see, from a man's perspective, I do see the similarities. So for him, he was saying, get the red one or the pink one, not the black one, it's too similar. And then my other guy friend said that it wasn't bold enough, it was too simple. But honestly, that's also what drew me to it, because I feel like something like this that you can style in so many different ways. You can wear it without the crossbody, you can wear it with a chain, you can even wear this as a belt if you wanted to. Like, this is more timeless than something that is loud and bold. But these people just got in my head, and so I left without buying anything. And I just kept thinking about it, and I kept thinking about it. Cut to New Year's Eve. I go back to Rodeo Drive, I go back to Prada. It's a shit show, by the way. There's no parking anywhere. Everyone and their families had the idea to shop, but I was having a bad day and I just kept thinking about this bag, and I was like, I'm just gonna treat myself. Let's do it. So I walk in and I instantly noticed that the same display was just ravaged. There was barely anything left. It was sold out. Which I knew that it would be sold out. It's a limited edition bag, by the way. It's only sold in 35 stores and it's not even online right now. The salesperson says, let me take down your information, and when we get a restock, if we get a restock, I'll text you come the day that I text you. Now cut to January 2nd, just a few days later. He texts me. By the way, he's from Hawaii too, as am I. Like, what are the chances? So I drive down there and I'm thinking it's just gonna be an easy in and out. I go into Prada, he's got the bag already on the side for me. I approve it, it's perfect. I give him my card, my chip won't scan. And I'm like, oh, my card is old. I already ordered a new card, but it just hadn't come in the mail yet. So we do chip, it fails, we do chip again, it fails again, we do chip again, it fails again, we scan it, it's declined. And my heart drops because even though I know I have the funds, it's just so super embarrassing when your card gets declined in Prada. So I pull up my phone and my bank had texted me like, do you recognize these last 3 charges, blah, 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 like they flagged it for fraud. So I said, yes, I do approve, and they say, okay, if you got declined, run it again. So we ran it again and it got declined again. So now I'm sitting there and I'm bright red and I'm thinking, I can't not buy this bag now. Like, I want the bag, but if I leave, then it looks like I don't have any money. I'm pot committed, we're in it right now to win it. So I call my bank and I'm on hold for, I shit you not, 30 minutes, completely like, I don't know, just feeling like maybe this isn't meant to be, it's a horrible idea, like what is the universe trying to tell me that I shouldn't get this bag? So I finally get through to the bank and they say that it's got something to do with the fact that we swiped the card instead of using the chip, like some just why would that even matter type of a thing. So while I'm on the phone with the bank, they run the card again, it gets approved, and it's mine, finally mine. So that is the story of how I had to go to Prada 5 times to get this bag. So the moral of the story is that if you see this bag and you're interested in this bag, you should definitely buy it, and don't wait, don't be like me because, you know, issues may arise. Back to the good stuff. Let's just talk about it piece by piece. So first you have the nylon body, and it's a hobo shape. It has this leather tag on it that says Prada Reedition 2005, and I'm pretty sure if I pull this out that it's a little keychain type of a situation. And then there is the silver chain, which by the way also came separate, so if you really wanted to carry this without it, or if you wanted to use a different strap with it, you could. Oh, that's another thing. That's another thing that's really cool about this bag, is that when I purchased it, he said I could use any strap with it. So, for example, not that I want to do this, But if I wanted to use the strap from this bag, then I could just hook it here and hook it here and have a whole nother type of bag. And he said this works with any Prada strap. So this bag truly is so convertible in ways that you wouldn't even think to do. And then there's the silver zipper on top. There's no pockets on the outside at all. And then when you go inside of here, there is this little fold out. So this is just a care card. And then this is talking about just the labels. There are no pockets. It's very streamlined and minimal. If you can see inside, it's just the sort of shiny lining material that makes up most of their bags. There's a little bit of a hardware detail right here. And then also on the front right here is the classic triangle logo. So this is the core of the bag, is this hobo shape. It also comes with this crossbody strap that has the Prada logo on top, just reprinted. This is basically a belt material, like a belt luggage material, and silver hardware again. And then this is a detachable, I guess we're calling it coin pouch. I think I will probably put my AirPods in it. So when you go inside, so many pieces to this bag. When you go inside of the little coin pouch, just some more fluff. And same thing, no pockets, just the lining. I mean, it's really cute. I don't know what would fit in here besides lipsticks, maybe your jewel if you do that kind of a thing. I don't. Now that this bag is kind of all over Instagram, I've seen a lot of people take this piece and wear it as a belt, which I am super excited to do because it looks sick. So basically, you would just string it through your pants and then in the back here, hook these two together and then tighten it to whatever your waist size may be. So how many ways did we just figure out we can wear this? We can wear it crossbody as is. We can wear it just with the shoulder bag. We can wear it with the shoulder bag and the belt. Or we can wear this hobo part of the bag with any other Prada strap that we have. So that's at least 4 different ways that you can wear this bag, which for about $1,000 is, I think, a really great price. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this unboxing. If you guys have any questions or if there are any details that I skimmed over accidentally, then please feel free to let me know in the comments down below and I'd be happy to answer. Tag me on Instagram if you do get it. I'd love to see how you style it. And we can be bag twins and all that good stuff. So thank you again so much. Please feel free to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.
Create this flag within the sun.